Hey everyone, today I will show you how to unfollow someone on Instagram without them knowing. And here's how it is done. Open Instagram and log in. Start by logging into your Instagram account. Go to profile of the account you wish to unfollow. Tap the following button on their profile. Select unfollow from the options that appear. They won't receive any notification that you have unfollowed them, though they could notice if they visit your profile. Additional step, muting. If you prefer not to see any of their content but also want to avoid unfollowing, select mute from their profile options. Within the mute settings, choose to hide posts, stories, or notifications based on your preferences. This way, their content won't appear in your feed unless you actively search for it. By following these steps, you can either unfollow or mute someone discreetly on Instagram. And that is everything you need to know about how to unfollow someone on Instagram. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.